Jordan Sell, product specialist for custom assemblies. Today I'm here to show you a back panel assembly built in-house here at Werner Electric Supply. Through Werner's custom assembly and services, we can build and mount components onto a back panel or inside of an enclosure. We can add power supplies, fuse holders, terminals. We can cut and mount wire duct, cut and mount DIN rail, any other automation control equipment that you would need installed. Using a back panel or enclosure assembly is a benefit to our customers if they're already buying control equipment and terminal blocks from Werner Electric, and they're also buying an enclosure. You can get everything shipped, already mounted in one shot, one part number, easy to order. There's also a huge benefit to customers who build repetitive boxes, enclosures, or cabinets. Same thing, order one part every time, get the same exact part. This is all built off a customer supplied drawing. Along with working with the assembly team to make the part number up, you can also work with our enclosure modification team to make sure you get any enclosures you need modified here at Werner Electric Supply. If you'd like to get more information or to order a back panel or enclosure assembly, please contact your local Werner Electric account manager.